Good morning, 4th class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So the children, this is your 11th chapter from English grammar, kinds of adverb. Now have a look to the lesson spotlight. This is adverb and kinds of adverbs. So first we talk about the adverbs. An adverb is a qualifier. It is qualifies an adjective, a verb and another adverb. Sometimes it also qualifies a whole sentence. So adverb जो होती है वो qualifier है और जो कि क्वालिफाई करती है एडजेक्टिव को, वर्ब को एंड अनदर एडवर्ब्स को. एंड सम टाइम इट ऑल्सो क्वालिफाइज द होल सेंटेंस और सम टाइम ये पूरे सेंटेंस को क्वालिफाइज करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बर्ड सैंग स्वीटली. इट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. मोहन केम yesterday. इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. द सन शाइन्स एवरीवेयर. इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. सो द एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब टू द वर्ब. जो एडवर्ब्स होती हैं वो वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करती हैं. जस्ट सपोज द बर्ड सैंग स्वीटली. सो हाउज द बर्ड सैंग? द बर्ड सैंग स्वीटली. सो हेयर स्वीटली वर्ड इज describing to the verb, and sweetly word is comes from the adjective because sweet is an adjective and sweetly is a verb. एंड द एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब टू द नाउन. और जो एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं वो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. जस्ट सपोज द बर्ड इज स्वीट. सो हेयर द स्वीट वर्ड इज डिस्क्राइबिंग टू द बर्ड एंड बर्ड इज हियर नाउन. यहाँ पर बर्ड जो है वो नाउन है. तो स्वीट वर्ड इज डिस्क्राइब टू द नाउन एंड स्वीटली दिस इज द एडवर्ब. इट डिस्क्राइब टू द वर्ब. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब. देयर आर 6 टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब. So first we talk about the adverb of manners. Adverb of manners answer the question how. Just suppose the boy rode well, the soldier fought bravely, Sita rides nearly, she behaved foolishly, the old man walked slowly, she ran fast. So here the adverb well, bravely, neatly, foolishly, slowly and fast show how or the manner in which an action is done. So here these words are showing the how the action is done. जैसे कि action किस तरीके से done हुआ, यानी verb को किस तरीके से लिया गया. कि road is an verb and well is a adverb, and fought is a verb and bravely is a adverb. So सच एडवर्ब आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर्स. और इस तरह की एडवर्ब्स को हम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर कहते हैं. नाउ द सेकंड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस आंसर द क्वेश्चन वेयर. यानी कि जो प्लेस यानी प्लेस से जो जगह से जो एडवर्ब्स होती हैं जो जगह को इंडिकेट करती हैं उनका क्वेश्चन होता है वेयर. द बॉयज आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड. ही लिव्स हियर. माई ब्रदर हैज गॉन आउट. We looked for everywhere. The bus stopped there. The boys ran forward. So the adverb outside, everywhere, here, there, out, forward show where an action is done. So all these words are showing where the action is done. यानी कि action कहाँ पे हुआ. outside हुआ, everywhere हुआ, here, there, out, forward कहाँ पे हुआ. So these type of such adverbs are called adverbs of place. Now the third is adverb of time. Adverb of time answer the question when. He will come today. She wrote to me yesterday. The school will open tomorrow. He came here daily. She left early. She will come presently. The doctor is coming immediately. So the adverb today, yesterday, tomorrow, daily, presently, immediately show when the action is done. So all these adverbs are showing when the action is done. यानी कि action कब हुआ. So ऐसे जो words होते हैं, ऐसे जो adverbs होती हैं उन्हें हम adverb of such adverbs are called adverb of time. यानी जो time को show करती हैं कि when the action is done उन्हें हम adverbs of time कहते हैं. Now the fourth is adverb of number. Adverb of number answer the question how often. So we often went to cinema. He seldom came here. She visited us once. Twice the boy struck him. You are always late. So the adverb often, seldom, once, twice, always शो हाउ ऑफन एन एक्शन इज डन, यानी कि एक्शन कब कब हुआ. सो सच एडवर्ब आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर, यानी कि कितने नंबर में, जो हमेशा हुआ, एक बार हुआ, दो बार हुआ, ट्वाइस, वंस में हुआ, ट्वाइस में हुआ, ऑलवेज हुआ. तो दिस इज अ एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर. Now the 5 is adverb of degrees. Adverb of degrees answer the question how much. So in how much quantity, यानी कि एक्शन जो है कितनी क्वांटिटी में हुआ. So he was very tired, he was quite worn out, he was nearly exhausted, he is entirely deaf, he was somewhat pleased. So each of the adverb very, quite, nearly, entirely, somewhat in above sentence show how much or what extent a thing is done. So such adverb are called adverb of degrees. He is quite strong. Her face is very beautiful. Your face is extremely red. She was almost angry. The glass was nearly full. So in the above sentence, the adverb quite, very, extremely, almost, nearly, which are used with adjectives strong, beautiful, red, angry, and full to add something to their meaning are also called adverb of degrees. Now the sixth is interrogative adverbs. Adverbs which are used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs. So when did he come? How are you today? Where did he go? Why are you late? So in the above sentence, the words when, where, how, why are used for the asking question. So such adverbs are called interrogative adverbs. So those adverbs which we use to ask the question, यानी कि जो words को हम question पूछने के लिए use करते हैं, उन words को हम action interrogative adverbs कहते हैं. So the children's chapter is completed here, and you have to do this exercise, the practice time 11.1 in your book, and if you don't have book, so you will do this work in your notebook. So here some adverbs of manners, you use each one of the complete and one of the sentence below. So here you have the box. So Tony climbed up the tree as quickly as monkey. There were no clouds and the sun shone brightly. All the day the children played merrily in the park. The hungry beggar ate food greedily. I had to shout loudly to attract her attention. So this is enough for today, and the other work we will do in the next class. Till then, bye.